Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID. Now, if you go to settings and on your account, there isn't an option to create a new ID. So what you have to do is go to Safari, then you want to type in appleid.apple.com, and once the site loads up, you just want to click not sign in, you want to actually create an account. So what you want to do is just click on sign in, and as you can see, it's automatically logging me into my account. So to fix it, just go to private browsing, appleid.apple.com. Now we have the refresh site. Then click on sign in. Then click on use different Apple ID. And then you just type in your information here, go next, and just follow the on-screen instructions, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.